Hey guys, what's up? It's Zach here. Killer 23 Striker. My YouTube channel name is, I don't know if that's right, but it's something like that. So today I'll be doing a review of the Husqvarna lawn tractor. We just got this like a couple weeks ago and where's it at? It's a pretty good, it's a really nice mower. 48-inch cut, and look, wait, oh yeah. All that to cut and all of this, and it gets the job done pretty quick. Like our other mower got it done in like 2 hours. This one gets it done in 30 minutes, I swear. The top speed on this, I tested it out, was 13 mile an hour, and it's pretty good. And as you can see, these are pretty nice when you're driving, because hop up, and when you're mowing a long time, you just put your arms on here and relax. So got the nice Husqvarna steering wheel. See, it's actually pretty comfortable, to be honest with you. And in the winter, like when you're starting it, like when you first start it up and it's cold, chilly out, you want to push this up. It will not, see how it will not lock in like some mowers do. It will not stay up. And your headlights, I don't know if it'll work with the tractor off. Yeah, well, they're pretty darn bright. I have my flash on my camera right now, just because it's dark out. But look how dirty this is. You guys can't tell. Look at that. That's pollen. And here, let's check it out. Under the hood, you got 24 horsepower. Briggs, I don't know how to say that. I look like there's stuff coming in. And you got your battery here. Why isn't that covered up? You got your battery. So you can pretty tell it's pretty darn, I don't know what that is. Pretty darn clean. So yeah. And we can take a look at the deck here. Pretty nice deck. I just cleaned it, so that's why, guys. That's why. What's that? That's grass. That's why it's so clean. You got a wheel here, wheel here. I don't know what this is for. It says caution, spring load and tension amount to avoid injury. Grasp firmly when engaging or releasing. I don't know what that does though. So, you got one wheel, two wheels, so that's like 5 wheels, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yeah. And we got this, because our other one was for the trailer, and the gas is about up to here after mowing all this. And I even mowed some of, no, I even drove it a couple minutes after it, so I was gonna go up to the neighbor and ask him if he needed a cut, but he wasn't home, so yeah, I couldn't. So yeah, and it's pretty full tank of gas. And here's just about your fuel line, fuel tank, and all that. You got your name. See, look, nope. Look, this will not come off because there's a little thing down in there. Yeah, that's not how I like it. Alright, and your deck height's 0.5, that's as low as it'll go. 1.5, let's put this back down. 1.5 and 2. We mow it too. But I don't like it all the way up, because look, it's all the way up now. But yeah, let's start it up and take it for a drive. I don't know if you guys will be able to hear me or not. I'm gonna drive up to the road. Hopefully I don't get in trouble, but you know. So what? There. Oh, and it also has cruise control. So like when you're going, look, it'll lock the gas pedal into place. And we got this from Big Bloom's Repair. They're a good place. They repair your mowers. I think this is the hours maybe. I'm not sure. says, I can't. 11.9. My dad, that was the hours, so yeah. Push the brake in. Choke down because I'm doing this. I don't know if you guys will be able to hear me or not because I'm on my phone, not on the headlights on. Listen to the wheels. So stay tuned for part 2. Peace.